In a world where resources whispered secrets, a community thrived. "We must listen to the land," said the wise elder, pointing to the rich soil. The people nodded, planting seeds of hope. Rivers sang songs of prosperity, and forests danced with life. "Together we grow," they chanted, harvesting abundance. One day a drought threatened their harmony. "What now?" a child asked, eyes wide with worry. "We adapt," replied the elder, teaching water conservation. Rain returned and the land flourished anew. "Nature provides," they celebrated, understanding their bond with the earth. "Support us by hitting like, subscribing, and commenting.